In other news, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, has started its probe into Friday's early morning killing of a St. Andrew resident by the police. The man was killed in Lawrence Tavern. Residents and the man's relative are adamant that the police targeted the wrong person, but the police say he was part of a major criminal network. Ramarda Lyons reports.
You just hear him ball out. The last thing, him a ball out.
And then there were explosions. Those explosions were the gunshots which claimed the life of Andrew Richard during a police operation in Lawrence Tavern in St. Andrew. The incident occurred sometime after 5 a.m. Friday in a section of the community called Tavern Gully. The St. Andrew North Police say the operation was in response to the increase in criminal activity in several communities in the area. However, Mr. Richard's family claims the police killed the wrong man.
If this man did tell me say Anjo mix up with woman thing, would I believe? It's a gallif. Not no more.
He was inside with his girlfriend. Francine Henry, the mother of Mr. Richard's son, was devastated. They've been business partners for over 10 years.
Andrew's a loving, caring father, not to only his children, but to everybody's children. And them come kill him like that and I come talk about a shootout. How can be shootout and in the man's house? There's no bullet, a burr up nowhere, nothing at all. Now my son left fatherless. Fatherless? My one boy.
She says the state of the room contradicts police reports.
No door not kick off, him get up and open the door. If door did kick off, the door would have, you would have seen something fly, nothing.
Now, when our news team visited the community, officers from INDICOM were on the scene. Police officers were also still in the community. Inside Mr. Richard's bedroom, friends and family gathered in disbelief. On the outside, Mr. Richard's cousin said he was even disrespected in death.
Them even have no little honor about him. If I even say you make them lift him up, them drag him body like a dog on the ground. From way over, it take about 5 minutes for each from him yard to where them throw him in a jeep. You can drag a man. Look how much you know how no. I will not even say you make you lift up the man. In blood stain the whole of the road. Them awful, them doing so bad.
The deceased man's family also rejected police claims that an illegal firearm was seized.
Gun? Which gun?
Another resident alleged being asked by police for a list of gunmen in the area. His response?
Me supposed to know them while only supposed to know them, I only should tell with them. Anyways, passing and coming, I reach right here, so the same police officer stopped me. And he asked me, who owned this shop right here? I said to him, the man who owned the shop right there, you already have him in a lockup. He said to me, basically that man that will come for stealing. So I said, I want to come for somebody, I want to get somebody, I want to kill the wrong somebody. I said, I can't give no information about it. And the wrong somebody then kill. Wrong somebody then give the shot and everything, and then them go want to look like say we have a fugitive around here and all of them. So this is a family community. 95% of the people that live around here, so are family.
The police pointed to a criminal syndicate in the area. The police also say 9 murders were committed in Lawrence Tavern in 2024. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.